Mike coming to you from the garage with a beer. Name of the channel. That's what I do most of the time. I haven't been in the garage much lately, but I'm going to be better. I'm going to be better. I'm going to try. So today I'm bringing you a video that most of you are here for this reason. This car behind me. You read the article on Jalopnik, so you started following to see what the heck I was going to do with it, see how bad it is. I've been asked, so I'm going to provide you all the footage I have. Some of it's not that great. I try to edit out most of the junk. Don't pay attention to that junk. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. I don't know why I can't say that word. That sounds stupid. Anyway, subscribe and help me build this channel. The quicker I build this channel, the quicker I get to build that car. I want to do that. I hope you want to see me do that. So smash that subscribe button. And for a little backstory, a little background on the car, for those that are new here that don't know what this is about, this is a 1967 911 that I found in a field-ish under a barn. A gentleman came up to me, told me about the car, said the guy wouldn't sell it. I went to him, turned out to be a super nice guy. His house had burned down, the barn was beside of it. He'd had the car since '89, I believe. And the car had sat in that barn since '91. He sold me the car. I'll link the article to Jalopnik so you can read that. David did a great job on that article. I mean, it sums it up. It tells you everything. So I'll link that article. If you have any questions about it, just hit me up, drop a comment. I'll try to answer it. I've been pretty decent about answering questions. Actually, I just answered a question from like 6 months ago, so I might not be that great, but I'll try. So drop any questions you have. Maybe I can answer them in another video. I'm going to be trying to put out some more content for you, some more videos. Try to build this, try to build that, try to build that. That needs built too. And got my 944 right here that I was actually using to put my camera on. Anyway, didn't scratch it, put cloth down, don't worry about it. So check out the video. You have any questions, hit me up, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe.